Hello YouTube. We're out here at it again. This time my daughter's with me at Fore Lake. She don't want to have her picture taken, so she don't want to be in the video. She won't even let me take her picture or nothing. But she's fishing. I'm letting her fish because her rod broke. She caught a big old bass and she caught a bunch of little ones. They're out there camping. I don't know if you can see them out there. They camp out there. This is a beautiful spot. The water's so pretty. You ain't caught one yet, Chrissy? Oh, let me show you what we caught. Here we go. Well, I can't. There's just a bunch of them in it. Here. Let me show you. There's a bunch of fish in here. Bunch of fish in here. See all the little tails? This thing's real big. It fits a bunch. But we're going to have a good meal tonight. I'm going to put them on the stove and fry them up. Have us some fish for dinner. I see turtle out there. Out there in the water. I don't know if you can see him or not. Little light spot. You can see it just up there. He stuck his head up. But I won't put this video on right away. I'm going to wait a while. I still have some videos from the zoo I need to upload. Man, I had a good time at the zoo. Woo! I didn't know what to expect. I've always heard people talk about how the zoos are really nice and stuff. I thought it was a little bit different than what I'd been used to. I've been to Busch Gardens and places like Animal Planet, or what is it, Animal Kingdom and little zoos around here, but I guess it's about the same thing. I was hoping to see a panda. No pandas at the Central Florida Zoo. But they had otters, they had monkeys, and all kinds of stuff. Cute little piggies. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. It's getting hot. We're about ready to go, so we'll talk to you later, YouTube. Hope everybody's having a good day. Bye-bye.